for those content creators that want to grow their page, their YouTube channel, or yeah, the other time I thought about copyright claim, how you should avoid videos, that types of video that you have to avoid copyright claim. And also you have to avoid putting music, background music that is not, maybe if you need background music, just go to studio, they will do one for you and it will become your own, you become the owner of it. So what I promise you guys that I will teach again today is about hashtag. What is hashtag? Hashtag is when you, maybe when something is trending, then there's a particular hashtag, maybe let me say time of election, then we have something like hashtag for vote. Then when you check it, many people are searching for that. So if you make a post and put it that hashtag vote, then it will take all those posts that have that hashtag vote to one particular person. Once somebody is searching for it, once he tag hashtag vote, then you will see there your post will be among the list that you will see when he's searching something about vote. Or maybe, like for instance, you are creating Igbo content, then you put hashtag Igbo. Then once you put hashtag Igbo on it, then anybody searching for Igbo content, once the person puts hashtag Igbo, then your content will be among the one that you will see. So that is the importance of hashtag. And if you are putting hashtag, don't put a lot of hashtag, just limit your hashtags, because if you put much hashtag, YouTube or Facebook will suspect that maybe this is a further post or something like that. So you have to limit it. Maybe you do it something like 1000 hashtag. Or, and if you don't know maybe how to get hashtag, normal hashtag, you can just go to AI, then type in trending hashtags 1000, or famous hashtag for comedy contents in comedies in Nigeria. Then they will give you, if you like you type 1000, if you like you type 100, then they will give you 100 hashtags or 1000 hashtags. Or that is how you get your hashtag, and you will be using it and your video will be going far. And for those, another thing that I want to talk is people that don't know how they will share their video after posting it in their page. Yes, a lot of people might be opportune. Maybe you just click share, then at the three dots you click on it, you see tag your friend. But not all phone has that features. Should, in case your phone don't have that features, when you click share, then click on more, then click copy link. Then that copy link, once you copy that link, then go to your main Facebook, then paste that link. Then from there you tag your friends, then you tag your friends. That type of tags will make your post being, let me say you have friends like Godswell, Ifanye, many names, James. Then once you tag them on that, there your post will be on their timeline. And once it's on their timeline, maybe their friends will see it and share it, their friends might see it and watch it. So guys, if you have any question, ask me on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is there, and let me call it for the sake of those that will not be able to see it on my page. My WhatsApp number is 09032929528. Let me take it again. 09032929528. That's my WhatsApp number. You can ask me any question there. Let me take the number again for those that didn't catch it at the first time or the second one. 09032929528. That's my WhatsApp number. Chat me up there and let's talk. Let's grow together. We live by lifting others.